Welcome to the vibrant heart of global cuisine, Thailand, a land where every street corner tells a story through aroma and spice. It is a sensory explosion where tradition meets modern flair. Let's dive into the dishes that define this culinary paradise. We start with the world-famous Pad Thai, a perfect balance of sweet, sour, and salty, meticulously prepared to perfection. Succulent prawns and vibrant green chives are tossed with rice noodles, creating the ultimate texture and flavor profile. Next, the legendary Tom Yum Goong. This spicy and sour shrimp soup is a masterclass in aromatics and bold Thai herbs. Every spoonful captures the essence of Thailand, featuring the shimmer of spicy oils and the freshness of local ingredients. For something rich and comforting, nothing beats Thai green curry. Velvety coconut milk meets a punchy handmade herb paste. Watch as it is poured over a bed of fluffy jasmine rice, ready to melt in your mouth with every creamy bite. Finally, the ultimate sweet finale, mango sticky rice. Sun-ripened golden mangoes paired with sweet coconut-infused rice. It's pure tropical bliss in every mouthful, finished with a crunch of toasted mung beans for the perfect texture. From bustling night markets to world-class dining, Thailand's flavors are an unforgettable journey you need to experience. Ready for a taste of the authentic? Join us and explore the incredible flavors of Thailand today.